Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery date and time section. If you want to set your date and time manually, you just have to disable this feature, automatic date and time, and here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable feature automatic time zone. Here you can select time zone, and you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.